Hello everybody. Today we're just going to see the subject of Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. It's one of the interesting subject actually. So before getting to the topic of what is meant by artificial intelligence, how it is getting used, what are the goals and so on so things, we just want to know how this artificial intelligence evolved, in which year. We'll have a short note about that first. In 1950, English mathematician who named Alan Turing published a paper. He published a paper with the name of Computer Machinery and Intelligence that opened the door to the field of artificial intelligence actually. So the term AI is coined by John McCarthy. The field of AI was not formally founded until 1950s. It is an approach to make a computer or a robot or a product to think how smart human thinks. The AI work is to make a machine to work as if like a human. Not only work but also think like a human. And finally, the study outputs intelligent software system. So the aim of such a machine going to work like a human. So what the aim going to be? The aim of the artificial intelligence is to improve computer function which are related to human knowledge. We can say it an example as reasoning, learning and problem solving. So these are the things about how AI going to be and what are the aim that has to be set before design a machine. So what is the term artificial? We know artificial means it is a man-made thing. We call it as a artificial one, right? What is the intelligence? That also we know it is a thinking power. So where man thinking power, so we can also name it as artificial intelligence. So we know artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science by which we can create intelligent machine which can behave like a human, think like a human and able to make decisions. In AI, you don't need to pre-program a machine to do some work. So unlike C, Java, like programming language we have seen so far, right? It is not like that. It is not a pre-programmed one. AI is not a pre-programmed one. We have to create a machine that has to think like a human, work like a human. You don't want to pre-program any such thing like C or C++ or Java, etc. You have to create a machine with programmed which can work with its own intelligence. It has to work with own intelligence. That is what AI is main concentrate about, not like every other programming languages. So as we said, artificial intelligence has to think and work like a human, right? The next thing what we are going to see is why is artificial intelligence needed to this era. So what are the things that are going to be useful, how way it is useful to us. So this is the thing we are going to see in this slide. So AI will eliminate low skilled jobs and effectively create massive high skilled job opportunity that will span all sectors of the economy, right? Artificial intelligence form the basis for all computer learning and is the future of all complex decision making. So this artificial intelligence helps to make a decision even though if it is a complex one. So unlike human sometimes may fear of solving such a complex decisions. We fear of taking such decision when it is a complex situation, whereas this artificial intelligence have an idea to solve the complex decision making. It will decide even though if it is a complex situation. Also, with the help of artificial intelligence, we can create such software device which can solve real world problems very easily and with accuracy, such as health issues, marketing, traffic issues. So unlike a human, it solves the real world problems with accuracy. We may also human also sometimes may be inaccurate in making decisions or inaccurate in solving a problems, but in artificial intelligence it solves a problem very accurate manner. It can also create a personal virtual assistant such as Google Assistant, Siri, etc. One who use iPhone, right, they come to know what is the Siri concept. So it will Siri with the help of Siri, it will use to help us what are the things we need. We don't want to type, or we don't want to touch over there. We just through speak, it will help us to solve the problem. Also, it can build such robots which can work in an environment where the survival of the human can be addressed. By if creating a robot, it is very easy for us to make it work, so that human intervention can be stopped at that time. AI opens a path for new technologies, new devices, and new opportunities. Next thing, what we are just going to see is what are the goals. What are the goals that is needed for design a machine or artificial intelligence, we can say it as. In early days, AI was used to develop reasoning and problem solving skills. Main goal is to develop intelligence and machine that could learn on their own. No more human intervention for feeding data to machine. It improves decision making. It improves or optimizes the business process. With the help of artificial intelligence, knowledge representation has become very easy. Artificial planning helps agent sequence of action to perform to achieve goal. Robotic has transformed thanks to the AI that helps robot acquire intelligence and perform tasks smartly. It replicates human intelligence, which solves knowledge, an intelligent connection of perception and action. Building a machine which can perform tasks that require human intelligence, such as providing a theorem, playing chess, plan some surgical operations, driving a car in traffic. So these are several goals that has to be set, because a machine that has to act smartly as like that of human, right? So such a machine have to be in a very accurate manner. You have to design a artificial intelligence or a machine. So these goals have to be set to make a machine that should act as if like a human. So if all these things are achieved, so it is very easier for a human to do some work with the help of artificial intelligence or with the help of machine. A human can easier for them to feed a data or give us some make us some complex decision making, and what to say, several functionalities can be used by using this artificial intelligence. So in early days, they haven't followed several things. They have used only this artificial intelligence to develop reasoning and problem solving skills alone. Rather now it has gone to several areas it has achieved. So like what to say, in surgical operation also it is doing nowadays. So if we are in a traffic, if we are in driving and if we are in a traffic, it helps us to solve such a kind of a problem. So all these things, playing a chess without a human, it has the ability to playing a chess. It has the ability to solve a problem like cube problem. So where all sides has to be same color. Through that machine, it helps to achieve that particular problem. So and so things that there by using of artificial intelligence. So next few slides, we are going to see what are all the things that are going to be achieved all these factors. Thank you.